Do you also apply a heat protectant before blow drying or straightening? If you do, pay attention to this video because we will be explaining the health risks of mixing heat with hairstyling products. A recent study looked into the health effects of common hair care products. These are the creams, sprays, oils that we use during a styling. The study found that these products can quickly change the air inside our homes, especially when you use heat styling tools like hair dryers and straighteners. In this new study, researchers set up a small house where people use their regular products and styling tools. They found that certain chemicals in these products called VOCs quickly went into the air. The longer your hair and hotter the styling tool, the more of these chemicals are released. Well, the study shows that hairstyling products, when mixed with heat, can cause hazards to our health. These side effects include skin or eye irritation, as well as potential impacts on lungs and even blood. Now, it's up to you whether you want to use this hazardous concoction or not. Hope you like this video. For more health-related content, subscribe to TheHealthSite.com.